So, as we're walking up the trail, Mr. Canoehead is down there. We find in the bush an outhouse. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. And we head up this way. This is Mike coming back from Surprise Lake.
It was a very, very big surprise.
It was a surprise. Oh. Another tenting spot here on the Surprise Lake end of things. Another big ass picnic table. In the background, another tent. Another tenting site over there. Fire pit, I believe, in the middle. Yep. And right here, very lovely dock. Welcome to Surprise Lake. Were you surprised? No, it's an old joke. So there we go. Up over there. Lovely mountains. Whew. Let's go back and get the canoe. Definitely a bit of a trek. Still very much worth it. I even have a bum knee right now. Apparently I'm vlogging now. What? Shut up! Apparently there's people coming, they have a canoe with a frickin' motor!
Or it's somebody else.
Or it's somebody else. There's definitely a motor coming at us. Shall we go investigate? Or do we care?
I don't care.
I don't care either. Let's go. Alright. This is our stripped down version of our canoe for the portaging. Mike, turn around, show off your back. Oh, look at that pack. Alright, I'd show you mine, but there we go.